To keep in step in the playoff race, the Vikings followed the lead of Justin Jefferson.
Here's a deep shot to Jefferson, and he scorched them. 15, 10, and give it to the 1 yard line.
When I caught it, I didn't know where he was at. Look, I couldn't see him.
Handoff Dalvin. Touchdown! Pass is left, caught Thielen at the 5. He shakes into the end zone. Touchdown!
Keep working, baby.
Keep working indeed. Chasing down Aaron Rodgers can take all afternoon.
Throws end zone to Guara. Touchdown!
Let's go, boy. Let's go.
They're waiting for you to let off the gas. Don't let off the gas.
Come on, cousin.
The game turned into a shootout. There was no stopping either quarterback from reaching the end zone.
Rodgers looks, waits, throws, left side, got Devontae wide open, touchdown!
Facing a big blitz. He's hit. Loops it up to Jefferson. Caught. 5. Touchdown!
Best in the league, bro.
31-24 Minnesota, 2:17 to go.
So the Packers, here we go, down 7. Lofts it, deep over the left side. He's got MVS. He's running down the left sideline. It's Secretariat of the Belmont. No one will catch him. Touchdown, Green Bay. Wow.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hell of a job.
Mike Zimmer's Vikings had the ball last and still had 2 minutes to drive down for a game-winning field goal.
A well-timed screen left, caught by Dalvin. Makes a Packer miss at the 40. Into Packers territory to the 45.
Oh, making the catch and losing the coverage down the left side. It is Thielen.
A 29-yard field goal to win the game against the 8-2 Packers. Snap. Spot. Jumps it. Yes, he did! He walked off on the Green Bay Packers.